please know the importance of the lymphatic system and cleaning. I promise you, this is something that you're never going to stop doing if you want to live a healthy life. If you want your life to, when you get to 100, it's really important that we keep on top of our health. And the great thing about this is you can do it yourself. That's why we invented these gloves, to be able to massage your body by cleaning out your body 2 minutes a day, just like cleaning your house 2 minutes a day. It's really simple to do. The changes that you are going to see will be your skin will come alive. You're going to see the fluid changes through your body. You're going to notice definitely changes in digestion and your bowel motions, increased bowel motions. We need to poo a couple of times a day. A lot of people don't do that. So if you want to see your digestive system, the uptake of all the nutrients, all of your fat soluble nutrients, your vitamin A, vitamin D, E, like there are so many fat soluble nutrients that you need to have everywhere, especially for hormones. That is all transported through your lymphatic system.